Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, as you can see, we started modeling this. Now we're still going to continue working on this. So what I want to do is actually remove this curtain wall right here. And then also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and add curtain grids only for all the windows. So I'm gonna click on curtain grids. So for this one, I want the door to be around here, and then I want it to be divided equally. Or maybe 3. There we go. And then I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then at the top, around 500. So with that, I just like the look of that. It's so clean without any mullion. And then we're gonna change this to a door. And then even here, we can do 3. There we go. And also on this side, around 700 for the door, and then just click it there, and then 500. And then here 500 as well. 700 first on for the door. For this one, maybe we could do is 3, and then 500 from the top. And then after that, go to insert. I think we still have one more here, so let's just finish that up. Curtain grid, and then 3 lines like there. And then I believe that's done. Go to insert. We're gonna load a door family. So door, you can also go to metric, door, and then let's go to curtain wall single glass. Insert, and then you were able to load it. And then the technique here is click on tab and then make sure that this is the one that is highlighted, and then we're gonna choose this one. And then here, click on tab, make sure this is the only highlighted part, and then change it to a door right there. And then here as well, click on tab, highlighted part, and then change it to a door. And then after that, we need to go to level 2 to change the orientation of the door. So flip it. You can even push it going out. And then here, push it and then flip it. And then that's good enough there. So now if we see, we have this door right there, and then it's swinging on this side. So after that, I want to double check this one. So go to level 3. This one is the extruded part, so check it, and then let's select this one, saying gypsum board. What's number of that? Number 4. And then this one, number 4 as well. But I want it to be dark, so I'm gonna duplicate this. Number 3 for that part. Edit extrusion, and then I want to go back here and then I want to know, so it's 10 offset. So I'm gonna offset this to 10. And then add it here as well. And then I'm going to add it on this part. And then this part. And then click finish. And then finish. And then if we check, it will look like that. And we want to make sure that this is the correct, okay, so yes, iron, so we're going to change that to a black color once we're in Twinmotion. And then after that, we're going to create the street here. So go to architecture and then click on floor, edit, duplicate, number 4, and then change it to a different concrete. And then we're going to add the street right here. Increase it a little bit. Something around 20,000. I know it's too much, but we're going to add something here. And then I want to add the grass here as well on this side. So I'm going to add this one right here. So grass part there. And then we're going to create a model in place. Then generic model. And then we're going to add it on this one. Around 2,000, and then 2,000 here as well. This one should be 100, and then change this to another concrete material. And then after that, we need to slice this, and then this part right here, SL, and then TR, trim and extend on this side. Click this fillet arc, select this 1800, and then select this one again. Make sure 1800 as well so that it has the same one. Let's see if we can do a different one. 1700, and then let's change this to 1700 as well. Click finish. Check it to see how it looks. So that looks good right there. And then we're going to create a sweep. Pick path, select this one in here, click finish, edit profile, and then this one is another concrete again. I'm going to use this one on all 3 of this, and then we're going to create something like this. This one is around 30, and then the same height as this one is 100, and then we're going to have something here around 5, okay, and then the width is 50, and then delete this, trim this one, and then this one we can have something like this. Okay, so we're gonna trim this and then trim this one, and then why not, let's join this one, something like that. I'm going to copy this and then click finish and then finish. So with that, as you can see, it looks good. And then what I'm gonna do again is create a sweep pick path. I'm gonna select this one and then select those, finish, edit profile, and then look for the profile, and then we're going to paste it. And then click finish and then finish and then finish. And then we're going to do it at this side, even though it's not going to be seen, but it's just better to complete your model. Click finish, edit profile, and then paste it. We could mirror this, and then we could select this one, MV, move it to the intersection there, and then click finish and then finish right there. So with that, as you can see, it looks much better. And then why not add a little bit more here, edit. I'm gonna go to ground, 70/85 is the material. Why not extend this one, and extrusion just 5, just to like make it look nice. And then if you look, it will look like this, but it's gonna be subtle, and then it will have the same look. So that's looking good right there. And then click finish. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add lights. So go to part 1 description, and I want you to download the spotlight face base square or the circle. Here I'm going to change or to check. So now just drag and drop. So I have it here in my downloads. I'm gonna use the circle, and then I'm just going to add it here, and then right here as well, and then on this side. Even on this, I'm going to add. And then for this extrusion as well. So because this is a face space, you need to add it in the base first, or on the face first. And as you can see, you can add it on all face of a building. So here, even at the top, you'll be able to add it. And then we're having an issue here because I need to flip this one. I need to see the face in order for me to add. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hide this temporary. So select that, hide element, and then CM, and then add it on this side. So I'm happy with that, and then just click here and then select this wall, and then unhide it and then close it. So now we just need to go and find, so we could go to our ceiling plan, go to level 1. So here we added this one, AL. I'm going to align it on this one right here. I'm gonna nudge it in place first. I want to make sure that at least it's in the middle of, in between here. And then we're going to put this one right here. And then I'm going to copy. So I'm gonna put this one every 1000. And then CO again, click multiple, and then just keep on typing 1000. So for some reason, I need to add this one. Let me double check that and see what's going on. So it's the same extrusion. For some reason, it's just giving me CS. Okay, so it's a different face, that's why. So I'm gonna add it for now on that face, and then I'm gonna align it and then use annotation just to know where the 1000 mark is. And then we could do this again multiple times. And then because of this, we could just move this one somewhere like that. And then here, let's do the same thing. Let's align it. Make sure this is in the midpoint. Move it on the side first, then copy it every 1000. I think that's good. and then go to level 2. We have this one right here, move it to the center, copy, and then every 1000. I think that's good enough. Then this one, midpoint as well. And then move it somewhere like there. And then copy this one, 1000. And then I'm going to make sure that this is in the center, somewhat in the center. And then copy this one. Think this is good. Let me see how it looks. And everything looks good right there. And then what I want here is to put something like a glow here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit in place and then create a void extrusion, and then I'm gonna, not actually a void extrusion, a void sweep. And then pick path. I'm gonna select this path right here and then click finish, edit profile, and then here I'm gonna use align 50 and then 10 10 10. Then delete this, click finish, and then finish, and then cut, and then here I'm going to just edit sweep, edit path, and I'm just going to add this one as well, and then cut geometry. We're going to do this one on this side, void sweep, pick path, select this one here, and then this one. And why not extend this one right here? And edit profile 50, then 10 10 10 10. Click delete this, finish, and then click finish, cut geometry. And if we could just edit this one, and let's extend this one right here, all the way there. And then this one as well, we could extend. And then click finish, and then finish. And the only thing we need to do is we need to paint and then choose the luminance And then you want to make sure that you select the back here, so that we're going to choose a neon color so that it glows. There we go. And then lastly on this side, and then click done, finish. And then there you have it. And here, let's delete this. And I don't want to place anything at the back here. It could be nice, but for now, let's leave it like that. I just want to add maybe 2 here, so south elevation, and I'm going to add a model in place. Generic model. Actually, it's better if we have a light going up on this part, so we're gonna do that later on. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.